Here's the tree stand I was in. Creek runs long right here. Okay, here we go. We just crossed this creek. That's where I was standing in that tree. And deer back up in there. I saw it. It didn't fire and drop. I just couldn't. There it is right there. Cool. Looks like a healthy deer. Wow, look at that shot. That's the side I shot her on. Nice. Okay. Well, long pace. Cool. You can probably see it stand. Yeah, right up there. It's not that far. Cool. Thank you, dear. Okay, today is November 21st, I think. 22nd, something like that. Hunting behind Mom's. I'm on the creek stand. See behind me? Creek. And I just shot a buck. It's over there, top of that ridge. Good news is that Wesley shot his first deer. He got a doe. So, and Michael also killed a spike. So all that this morning. That's great. 3 deer. 3 people. And Wesley got his first one. So, alright. Oh, and I got mine with the slug gun right there hanging behind me. 20 gauge. Alrighty. Guess that'll do it. That'll do it for now. Yeah, that'll do it. I think we're coming out. Alright, I'm gonna walk to the last spot. I saw the doe. Kind of where the dog stopped too. Man, this thing was busting through. Let's see here. Yeah, straight up on that hill over there. Whew. Get some light. Alright, so I shot a buck. It's behind me on top of that hill back there, right around here. Shot a doe being run way back here with a shot with double lot. I have no idea if I hit it, but the dog stopped running. So I'm gonna go look for the doe. We'll see. I'm not even going to look where I first shot since I know where she went to run up that hill. And I would have never thought I killed that deer based on the way she was running. I still don't think I killed it, but the dog stopped. Because it was just way too far, moving way too fast. I was trying to turn it so they would come to me closer or to my brother. Let's go over here and see if there's any blood. Get through all this. Alright, I think she went up right there. Somewhere. Alright, I'm gonna pause in case I'm gonna look for blood. This is a pretty steep hill she went up. I still don't see any blood. So I'm just gonna go up here where I last saw her on top of the hill. Son of a... There she is. Oh, you gotta be kidding me. How did I kill that deer? I still don't see any blood. Holy crap. Let me get through this. You gotta be. That's an amazing... There's blood right there. I can't believe this. I am over 100 yards from my stand, obviously, but that deer was every bit of close to 90, 80. Oh. Wow. Look at that, dude. I can't believe it. I think I got it on film too, shooting her. The old 870. Here she is. This gun I've had for ages. Since I was a little kid. Sweet. Alright, not bad. I still just can't get over how far, and that's with double out buckshot, 3-inch. Holy cow. Alright, now I gotta go get my buck. My buck is somewhere. The little doggy that ran this deer just showed up. Good job, boy. Huh? You good? Look what you did. Look what you did. Good boy. Yep, you did that. You let me kill it. Good job running it. You're awesome. Get on out of that hole. Get on over that tree.
Wes, let that rope. Pull that deer behind it over the... No, don't lay down like that.
I got it.
Put it down on the ground and then let the barrel rest.
I got it. Leave it. All right, that was the first one. One more to go. Wesley got his first one today. Awesome. Good doggies. Run them. Run them. First two of the day. Yeah. Oh yeah. Whoa, ho, ho, you hung, dude. They wrapped up, they got their legs under this vine. Go a little bit. All right.
Your wrappers on that vine?
Close to it. Go forward.
There we go. Ready? Okay, hold, we gotta cut some more over here. Okay, now what? Okay. This right here, do not puncture. Okay? That's where
Please.
how you do this?
Uh-oh.
Hold it from spinning. Let me get that. Hold this from spinning. Everything sits.
Pull it down, Wes.
Wrap it up, roll it up, pull it.
Mm-hmm.
Ready?
There you go.
There you go, buddy.
Wesley's first deer.
Alright, that's good.
You can't even tell you hit it. Shot it in the head.
Alright, now we'll cut the tenderloin out. So here's the spine. Spine runs all the way up right there. That's the spine. Here's the hind quarter. See the separation here? See the separation coming here? So you got this fat. This is all fat.
What rope?
Oh, this
Oh, the butter.
screw came out. Alright, look. So spine's right here. The spine's right here. We'll go over here now. You'll stay more to the right because you're wasting meat now.
You want to feel the bone
That's what I'm trying
on the left-hand side of the blade. You want to feel the Which side is he on?
Right hand.
Or on the right hand side of the blade?
Where's the meat again? Sorry.
Just feel the bone. You want to feel it with on the right hand side of your blade.
Alright. That's it. Now, I have this cut right here. This cut right here. See, that's